Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into what is easily one of the best personalized bar necklaces available online. The RESVIVI Sterling Silver 3D Engraved Personalized Bar Name Necklace. If you've been on the hunt for a unique, custom, and thoughtful gift, stay tuned because this one ticks all the boxes. Let's start with why this necklace stands out. First of all, it's a fully customizable pendant. That means you get to decide what name or word is engraved on the vertical bar. Whether it's your own name, a loved one's, or even a short meaningful word, this necklace is designed to reflect something deeply personal to you. You start by clicking Customize Now on the Amazon listing and then entering the name or word of your choice. You'll also get to select the chain length that suits your style best, with options ranging from 14 inches all the way to 22 inches. Now, let's talk materials. This isn't just some flimsy piece of fashion jewelry. The pendant is made from genuine 925 sterling silver combined with copper for added durability. It's built to last and won't deform easily, which is essential when you're choosing something meant to be cherished long-term. You also have the option to elevate the look further with 18K gold or rose gold plating over the sterling silver base. That gives you the flexibility to match your personal aesthetic or the recipient's taste if it's a gift. What makes the pendant especially attractive is its 3D design. The bar isn't flat like many others on the market. Instead, it's a solid, well-crafted rectangle measuring 1.68 by 0.2 by 0.2 inches. The smooth, curved edges give it a polished finish that looks both modern and elegant. This detail really adds dimension to the engraving, making the name pop with every turn of the necklace. And when paired with the box-styled chain and spring ring clasp, it delivers a balanced combination of security and style. It's gender neutral. While it has a sleek feminine vibe, the customizable nature and minimal design make it perfectly suitable for men too. Whether it's for your partner, parent, sibling, or friend, this necklace becomes a highly personal gift that feels premium without the premium price tag. Speaking of price, you'll find this necklace available in a few variations depending on the material and customization choices. Prices range from just under $20 to over $40, which is a small price to pay for a piece that's custom-made and emotionally significant. It's not just a product, it's a memory in physical form. There is one thing to keep in mind though, this item doesn't ship to all countries. So if you're outside the US, like in India for example, you'll need to check availability or consider using a forwarding service. To sum it up, the RESVIVI 3D Engraved Personalized Bar Name Necklace is more than just a piece of jewelry. It's a well-crafted, customizable, and stylish pendant that's perfect for marking special moments, relationships, and milestones. Whether it's for yourself or as a gift, it's personal, it's elegant, and it's designed to last. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique. For more honest takes on products worth your time and money. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.